Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 34. In 490 BC, the Battle of Marathon marked a defining moment in history. The Athenians, vastly outnumbered, faced the mighty Persian army, intent on punishing Athens for aiding the Ionian revolt. Under General Miltiades, the Athenians employed a daring strategy, charging headlong into the Persian forces. This unexpected assault caught the Persians by surprise, leading to a monumental Athenian victory despite the odds. The battle showcased the power of the Greek hoplite phalanx and altered the course of the Greco-Persian wars. The legendary tale of Phidippides, who ran approximately 26 miles from Marathon to Athens to announce the victory and then died from exhaustion, inspired the modern marathon race.